Local news for Friday the 14th of July. As the saying goes, the customer is always right, and this year a People's Choice Best Chips Award was introduced and the people have spoken. The award is decided by public online voting and a Masterton chippy has taken the honours. The winner of the inaugural Bid Food People's Choice Best Chips Award is Mr Chips in Masterton. 115 businesses across New Zealand were nominated for the Best Choice Chips Award, attracting over 4,100 public votes. Mr Chips attracted over 11% of the total votes, finishing with a clear winning margin. Dietitian Sarah Elliott will be giving out free digestive health advice at New World Carterton and New World Masterton today and Tuesday respectively. To coincide with the national rollout of the bowel screening program in Wairarapa, New World is partnering with a dietitian to raise awareness of the important role that food plays in bowel health. Sarah says what we eat and drink plays an important role in the health of our bowel. A healthy diet can also help prevent bowel cancer, which kills more than 100 Kiwis every month. It can also help alleviate some of the symptoms of inflammatory bowel diseases, such as Crohn's and ulcerative colitis, which is estimated 15,000 Kiwis suffer from and which can lead to bowel cancer. And it's the final round before the semi-finals for Premier Rugby this weekend. Carterton stand a chance of making the top four if their and other results go their way. They'll play Marist, Gladstone are at Pioneer, and Martaborough will take on Eketahuna in the mud, while East Coast are at home to Greytown. For up-to-date information on roads and what's happening regarding the floods and everything else around Wairarapa, tune in to MoreFM Wairarapa on 89.5 FM.